Hello, dear 11th graders. How are you? I hope everything is going well for you. Okay. Here, and what I'm going to do is explain to you some advanced conditional forms. Remember that one of the topics, or grammar topics for this term, is the use of all the conditional forms. That is what we have been doing. But it's necessary for you to know and start using some advanced conditional forms that exist in English with regards to the conditional forms. So let's see. Here we have a summary. You have this in your copies, the copies I gave you, so you can use them to confirm the information here. So let's begin with which the advanced conditional forms are. The first one that we see here is the use of supposing or imagine in conditional forms. When do we do that? Okay, we use supposing or imagine instead of if. It means it replaces if in spoken situations, mainly spoken situations. This suggests an act of imagination. So the point is that instead of using if, I use supposing just when I want to focus that this is an act of imagination. Okay? So the example, you can see it very clearly in the example. Supposing you could spend a day with someone famous. Who would it be? Supposing. It means imagine. Supposing you could spend a day with someone famous. Who would it be? So notice that this is conditional type 2. How do we know that? Because of the presence of could and would. So that's the first advanced conditional form. The next one is the use of unless in conditional sentences. Unless tends to be used more in real conditionals and means if not. We don't use unless in questions. So let's see the example. Unless we change the way we think about work, we will never be able to face the challenges of the 21st century. Unless we use unless to mean if not. How would this sentence be if we use if not? If we don't change the way we think about work, we will never be able to face the challenges of the 21st century. It's important for you to start using unless. It's an advanced conditional form. Okay, our next advanced conditional form is the use of provided or provided that. So notice that is in brackets. It means that it is optional. So provided has a similar sense of reservation as unless, but means only if. So instead of using only if, we use provided. Let's see the example. Provided the stadium is finished, the games will go ahead as planned. Okay, so if we used only if, it would be only if the stadium is finished, the games will go ahead as planned. The next one is in case. In case is another advanced conditional form. When do we use it? We use it to suggest readiness for a possible future development. Notice, readiness, it means that we are prepared for something. And let's read the example. We will take sandwiches in case we can't find somewhere to eat. Notice, instead of saying if, we use in case. Why? Because we are suggesting readiness for a possible development. The next and last is the use of even if. Even if. When do we use it? We use it to emphasize that although something may happen or may be true, another situation remains the same. Important here, although something may happen or may be true, another situation remains the same. So let's see the example. Even if we lose this game, we still have a chance of winning the league. So it's important for you to start using these advanced conditional forms, and then when I meet with you, I think it's not possible to do it face to face, so I'm going to send you a message to your emails telling how we're going to meet next Tuesday to practice with this or to give you any further information or explanation that you need about this topic. Okay, that's all for now. Bye.